Hello, I'm Daniel. I wanted to share with you a list of 5 reasons to belong to the union. 5 reasons to belong to the union. And this is going to be like a countdown. So I'm going to go from 5 to 1. So 5 reasons to belong to the union. Number 5 is a strong contract. Defined rights and benefits on everything from leave to promotions to work schedules. So this is what the contract looks like. Ignore the post-it notes I have on there. And it's really long and it's kind of dense in parts. That's why I work toward helping people understand it sometimes. But you see I highlight parts of it. It's fun. So this is negotiated every year between the union and the agency. And decisions are made about what rights we have and what our benefits are and how we use leave and how we get in trouble and all sorts of things are in here. And so the union negotiates this for us, and if we didn't have the union doing that, I think we'd be in a worse position than we're in as far as the benefits we get and leave and things like that. So this strong contract happens because the union's working for you and for me. So that people think the union just does helping you when you're in trouble, and that's not true. The union negotiates this contract. The union is working with the agency every step of the way to try to make sure we are treated fairly. So that's number 5. Number 4 is amplify your voice. Amplify your voice. So a united chorus of many voices is better than a lone voice. So what does that mean? Well, it means that if we're standing together and we're all asking the agency for the same things, then they're more likely to listen to us. And that's kind of why unions were invented, I think, is just for workers to stand together and just to come together. And we know when there's something unfair, they come together and they say no. And when we need something, we come together and we say, hey, we need this, right? It's just strength in numbers. We're stronger together. We are stronger together. So we have an amplified voice if we're standing together. Because if we were standing alone, then, if something unfair happens to you, you're on your own, right? And that's no way to be. So, that's number 4. Number 3 is stay informed. NTEU's members-only communications will keep you updated about the latest federal employee news and information. Now, following our Facebook page, you don't have to be a member to follow it, so you can get a lot of information there. I work hard, and some other members work hard to try to make sure there's a lot of information there to keep you informed all the time. That being said, though, there are emails that we get that are union only, member only, that I get, that if you're a member, you get. And I know a lot of people maybe look at those and just delete them. But if you want to be really informed about what's going on, you can read those. You can spend some time following those. So that can be really helpful if you want to be in the know of what's going on and know what things you can do, especially what things we can do to help ourselves. That's really important, helping ourselves. We want to advocate for you to advocate for yourself. So that's why staying informed is really good. So if you're a member, you can get those members-only emails. That was number 3. Number 2 is a friend in need. NTEU will be there for you whenever and wherever you need us. So if you're treated unfairly, if you're passed over for a promotion you think you deserve, or you get a yearly review and it seems inaccurate, but especially also if you're in trouble, if you've been accused of something, if you've done something and the punishment seems really steep or whatever, you can come to the NTEU and you could say, hey, I need help, and we will be there for you. That is our role, is helping people that are in trouble. So that's why NTEU is a friend in need, or can be at least. We can't save everyone, but we're gonna try, or at least we're gonna listen to your problem and talk you through it. So a friend in need. NTEU is a friend in need, and that's very important. And then number 1, lastly, results for you. The effort to secure your dignity and respect as a federal employee is only as strong as the people involved in it. Join us on the front lines, be proud, be heard, and take charge of your future. I think that unions have a big history in this country of bringing about positive change. It's why we have 40 hours a week and then overtime after that. It's why we have 2-day weekends. It's why we have a lot of the things we take for granted, are because unions came together and they demanded it, and then they demanded it again and again until it became normal. And if we're part of the union, we are part of that lineage. We are a part of that history of securing dignity and respect for workers. That's what it's about. We should not be disrespected by membership. We deserve respect. And by managers, we deserve respect. So it is about standing together and being part of a proud history of unions. NTEU represents 150,000 federal employees across 31 departments and agencies. So that's what we are part of. We are part of a big organization, and so our voice is louder because of that. So if you're not a member of the union, I would encourage you to please come down to the union office, ask for a membership form, and fill that out and join us, because we could use you. We need everyone. Well, maybe we don't need everyone, but more is better. So your help would be strongly appreciated. And we can do a lot of things for you. So, and it feels good to be part of something, I think. So if you're not a member, please come join the union. And if you are a member, thank you. I guess that's it. Have a good day.